Hello students, so today we start chapter 16 case. Now the other sentences are given. Mohan married Kamla, the cat killed the mouse, he bought a silver watch, the ring was lost by Sita. Okay, now the subject is an object of given. Okay, so here the he, ring, cat, Mohan. Okay, these are the subject of the verb. Okay, and married, killed, brought, and was lost is they are the objects. Okay, who married Kamla, that is a Mohan, that Kamla is a object. Now, so any noun or a pronoun that stand as a subject of a verb is said to be a nominative case. Okay, so which noun or pronoun as a stand for the subject, okay, it is used as a subject of a verb that is called nominative case. You see, Mohan, the cat, he, the ring, that is a subject, and Mohan, cat, he and ring, these are the noun or a pronoun. Mohan, cat, ring, these are the noun, and he is a pronoun. Okay, you know about the definition of noun. Naming word is called a noun, or a noun is a name of a place, animal or thing. And pronoun, what is the definition of pronoun? A word used instead of a noun, that is a pronoun. Okay, so noun and pronoun stand as a subject, that is called nominative case. Now the exercises are given here. Now the next thing is the objective case. The sentence, the man hit the dog, he loves her, George paints a picture. Now the man, George and he, these are the subject, but dog, picture, her, these are the object. That's why it is called objective case. Okay, now the pronoun, noun, these things are stands for as a object, these are the objective case. Now you I read that the book is on the table, the snake was seen by her. In the first sentence, the noun table is the object of the preposition it is therefore said to be objective case, so it is not so important about that. Okay, now the exercise is given about the objective case. Now here the definition is given. Okay, a noun, pronoun that comes after a preposition is said to be governed by the preposition, it is called the object. Such noun is governed by the preposition is therefore said to be objective, and hence objective are both preposition and okay. Now in this definition is when after preposition noun and pronoun come. Okay, so it is governed by the preposition and that is called the object. These things is described about that paragraph. Now there is exercise is given about objective case. Now the again sentences about apostrophe s sentences. See, the dog bit the boy's leg. Okay, this is not boys, this is not plural. Okay, this is the apostrophe s, it is talking about a one boy. Okay, now Mohan found Ashok's pen and lost her mother's ring, this is his pen. So in the above sentences, boys, mother, Ashok, his, these sentences, these words are the possessive case. Okay, we find out easily as the possessive case when we saw that the apostrophe s words is used in the sentences. These are the possessive case. Okay, now here this definition is given, a noun or a pronoun that denote the possessor or owner of anything is said to be in a possessive case. Okay, so a noun, dog, Mohan. Okay, this is a pronoun, and Annie. Okay, these are the noun and pronoun, name. Okay, now but the owner are said to be in a possessive case, they are said to be in a apostrophe s words. Okay, it is used in the sentence, these are the possessive case. Okay, now here is given that how to form the possessive case. Now the sentence is given, the girl's father is ill, the farmer's cow was stolen, the horse legs was broken. Now in the sentences possessive case there is a singular number. Okay, singular is only one. Okay, now we see that the possessive case of a singular noun is formed by adding an apostrophe, okay, and as to it. So it is the possessive case. कौन से होते हैं वो? When the word is using after as apostrophe and as. Okay, now the following examples are given. Many girls, you see girls but apostrophe is after, so these are the plural number. Okay, the noun and possessive case are in a plural number. Many girls books are lost. Girls books. Okay, so you see as जो है वो पहले है और apostrophe बाद में है, तो this is a singular, एक के लिए बात हो रही है. This is the plural sentences. Okay, now the sentences is here. Man's lives are full of miseries. Children lives in a full of happiness. Okay, women's lives are full of cares. So these are also the examples of plural number of possessive case, but do not and in from their possessive case by taking an apostrophe. Okay, and as after them. Now there is another examples are there. You read that examples. Okay, what is the words are given, and in that page these sentences or words are given. You see these are the examples of possessive case. So that's all about the possessive case. Means the case chapter has completed, so you have to read that chapter very carefully. Okay, I hope you understand this chapter. Thank you and have a nice